all I know about him. And if I win, you can just give me cash.
You're on. Now spit up what you know about Hiroshi.
Hiroshi, he's a big-time patron. Oh, real problem. Hold on.
Let go of me.
Yeah, no, but I'm not finished telling. Ooh.
I'm a dancing fool 'cause I dance so
We're leaving.
Oh, hey, I'm still drinking.
Hey, wait a minute. Don't go.
You let out! No!
Oh, you're back. Thank goodness.
Sorry, Pepe. No IDs. I looked twice.
It's okay. We'll get Rico to give us the party money. Should have been mine anyway, right? And that'll be enough for a fake ID for you.
But you need one too.
I'll just keep working. Though I won't be able to stick around here anymore. We'll have to make a run for it.